Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can allow or don't allow making changes to background app activities on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, go down and tap on Screen Time. Next, we go down and tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. Then we go down to the bottom on the last option in the Allow Changes section. Tap on Background App Activities. Now enter the screen time passcode. Then here you can choose Allow or Don't Allow making changes to the background app activities. And that's it. Now you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.